In this video we will talk about how to grow strawberries from store-bought strawberries. First, peel the skin off the strawberries. Let them dry for a day. The next day, when the skin is this dry, it's ready. Rub it with your finger to remove the seeds. Plant the seeds in a pot. Use the lid of a plastic bottle to make a sowing hole. I plant 5 seeds. I think the reddish seeds are easier to germinate. After that, cover them with soil from above. I hope they will germinate. Day 12 it germinated. The main leaves are small. Day 23 it's so cute. Day 35. Day 54 it has grown a lot. Another seed has germinated. Here too. One seed is precious, so I'm going to replant it. I thought it would come out easily, but it didn't. Carefully, carefully. It's out. I hope it takes root well. Day 81 it seems to have taken root. But some of the leaves have been eaten. Is this okay? Day 97 it's okay somehow. The roots are coming out. Day 122 there was another pot, and only one of them germinated. This seedling. Day 155 only one of them is growing fast. This is the seedling from earlier. Day 178 soil preparation. First, young soil lime, 100 g per 1 m2. 2 kilograms of cow dung compost. Normally we wait 1 week after sowing the young lime. 2 kg of humus. Fertilizer for strawberries. Cultivate well. By the way, since this is the place for 4 years in a row, it is likely that we will have continuous crop failure soon. It looks like this. Make the furrow and leave them for a week. Day 185 now I'm going to plant them. The roots are firmly. This is the seedling that has grown the most. Just to be safe, I planted 2 more plants in the planter. I also planted the plants I took from last year's seedlings. These are the 2 strawberries from seeds. 3 months later. Day 272 January. Strawberries plant goes dormant when it gets cold. I'll remove the dead leaves. Day 291 Because of the mild winter this year, the flowers have bloomed. I picked the flowers at this time of the year. I think this plant was originally the smallest one. Day 320 It's almost March, but there's no sign of flowering. What? It was the fastest growing plant. This is the whole picture. Only the plant on the left side of the planter is in bloom. Day 327, the plant I grew from a seed. The other plants have started to bloom. I fertilize the plants now that they are blooming. This one hasn't bloomed yet, but fertilizing the planter as well. I'll apply it to the soil. Day 334, plant grown from seed. I'll put down black mulch. I use black garbage bags instead. It looks like this. Pinch and cut the bag where the plant is. While expanding the hole, slowly pull the leaves out of the hole. It's done. Leave the planter as it is. Day 351. It was snowing when April was coming. I'm glad I put a plastic bag over the top. Day 356. I'm going to cut the runners because they're coming out. A runner is simply a small plant. I'll keep cutting until the strawberries are ready. This is because the nutrients will flow to the daughter plant. When the weather gets warmer, insects and bees will pollinate the plants, but since it's still cold, we'll do artificial pollination. You can do this by rubbing with a brush, but the shape will be distorted. You can see how amazing insects and bees are. LOL. Day 368. It's been about a year since we saved the seeds. The strawberries have started to grow. Day 378. These two plants, only the strawberry from the seed is not blooming. Day 378. They are turning red. The next day. Oh, the birds ate them. I was looking forward to eating it. Day 391. I'll put a net over the top of this one to prevent it from being eaten. By the way, the strawberries from the seedlings are growing so beautifully. Even the strawberries that I didn't replant. LOL. Plant from seed, no flowers in May, so I think I'll give up now. I'll leave it to the daughter plant. I'll extend this runner. I'll put this in a pot and fix it with pins. It looks like this. This is a different plant, but there will be more plants. This is called a daughter plant, and this daughter plant will become a seedling for the next year. Day 400. The strawberries are grown up. The shape is distorted, but I'm happy. I will harvest them. I'll eat it. They are very sour, but delicious. The flowers have bloomed again. I wonder if I'll get strawberries with a good shape next time. After 400 days, only one of the 4 plants produced strawberries, even though they were grown under the same conditions. I kept checking to see if it was one of the plants I added later, but it was not. Plants are so mysterious. Maybe that's why vegetable gardening is so much fun. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.